Hello, everyone. The Minister of Cooperative Governance has declined a nomination to run for leader of the ANC. Maybe rumors are true. Zweli and Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma are working together so that Dlamini Zuma's supporters can vote for the former health minister, Zweli. What a strategic move.
For position of president, as I indicated, we have Comrade Zweli and Comrade Cyril Ramaphosa. Are there any further nominations from the floor for the position of president? Any further nominations from my extreme left? I do not see any hands. I'm moving right across. And I did hear the chairperson of the previous session saying that you do raise the provincial card in order to indicate anything. Is there a hand, comrade? Are you nominating? Comrade, if you can indicate who you are, where you come from, and the person that you'd like to nominate. Thank you, comrade.
Comrade Tulanga libalelo kahadebe ngiqhamuka la eGoli esilibe ngeregion eMid Valley isubregion engibuya kona eWard 11 ingicelile iWard 11 ukuthi ngizonominate uma Nkosazana Zuma njengomongameli wethu.
Thank you, comrades. Comrade Hadebe from Sidibeng in Gauteng has raised the name of Comrade Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma. Is Comrade Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma in the house? Is it behind? Comrade, your name has been nominated. Do you accept? Comrade Nkosazana has declined nomination.
Do you think Cyril Ramaphosa will be able to win this race? Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.